how to install your smart Wi-Fi 2-in-1 socket fan and light. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts included in the package. You may also need a ladder, a drill, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Before installing the ceiling socket, turn off the power at the main breaker. Use a voltage tester to ensure the wires are not live. Do not install near water or moisture. If you are unsure, consult a qualified electrician. If you already have an E26 to E27 socket installed and working, you can skip this step. If not, locate the ceiling junction box where the fan will be installed. Connect the black or brown wire to line and the white or blue wire to neutral using the included connectors. Make sure all wires are protected and that no connections are left exposed. Then secure the base using the included screws until it is firmly in place. Insert each blade into the slots on the main unit. Slide it in until you hear a click. Repeat for all 5 blades. Align the fan's connector with the ceiling socket. Twist the unit clockwise until it reaches the stop and locks into place. If you want to lower the installation, you can use the included socket extender. Attach the extender to the socket, secure it with the locking screw, and then install the fan onto it. Restore power at the main breaker. The fan light will turn on, and that's it. Your smart socket fan and light is now installed and ready to be set up.